water, plants. Oh, the plants. Plants help us in so many ways. In fact, if it weren't for plants, there would be no animals on Earth. Within the cell of a plant, you can find the chloroplast.
The chloroplast is a part of the plant that not only gives plants their distinct green color, but this is also where photosynthesis occurs.
In the process of photosynthesis, a plant converts sunlight into energy, or glucose, and also exchanges gases through the leaf. Stomates and guard cells deal with gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide within the leaf of the cell. Photosynthesis gives off oxygen so that animals can survive. Plants are living things that help other living things survive. Because plant is a living thing, it has DNA. Just like this banana.
Because DNA is in every living thing, one eats DNA every day. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is an important part in a cell. Its double helix structure is the blueprint for life. The rungs of the DNA ladder are made up of 4 nitrogenous bases: cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine. DNA, although microscopic and tightly wound around the nucleus, can easily be extracted from the cell. If unwound and tied together, the DNA in one cell can stretch up to 6 feet long. Materials needed to extract DNA from a banana are cups, a teaspoon, 2 test tubes, a banana, coffee filters, salt, liquid soap, distilled water, rubbing alcohol, and a food processor. This experiment must be done precisely and gently so the DNA does not break up. The first step of this experiment is to take 1 cup of water and 1 banana and blend it in the food processor. You should do this for about 20 seconds. Now your mixture should be fully blended. The second step in this experiment is to take 1 teaspoon of soap, 2 pinches of salt, and 4 teaspoons of water, and combine them in this cup. The soap in this experiment breaks down the cell membrane by dissolving the fats and proteins in the cell. This disrupts the bonds that hold together the cell membrane. The soap holds onto these pieces and filters them out later on in the coffee filter. This leaves the DNA in the drained liquid, which is then put into this test tube later on. Step 3 in this experiment is to take 3 teaspoons of the banana mixture and put it into the cup and stir for 10 minutes. Okay, in the fourth step of this experiment, you should secure your coffee filter around the edge of your cup. You can then filter out the DNA, which is in your cup, directly into your tube of alcohol. You should let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes and be sure not to shake it or touch it. The salt in the solution allows the DNA strands to come together and precipitate out of the alcohol solution. The DNA should appear as the white stringy mucus in the test tube. Banana DNA.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
DNA. One banana. Did I say teaspoons both times?
I know, but so many ways. Did you know that? For real? Wait. Converts energy into something. Just like this banana.
I'm a cucumber. I'm a cucumber. Please don't take me to the pickle farm. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. It's all yours. Do your little story.